Everyone is talking about the iPhone 17e like it's just another cheap iPhone, and that's the mistake. This phone isn't a simple refresh. It's a quiet reset. Last year, the iPhone 16e felt like Apple threw together leftover parts and called it a day. But the 17e is different. It's designed to do one very specific thing. Make you feel like you're using a truly modern iPhone, while subtly pushing you exactly where Apple wants you to be. On paper, the specs don't look revolutionary. But when you line up the upgrades side by side, something becomes very clear: Apple is playing a different game in 2026. And the most important part of that game isn't the chip or the camera. It's the people who will actually buy this phone. Let's start with the most visible change. The notch is officially gone. The iPhone 17e finally gets Dynamic Island, and yes, that matters. Apple is making the front of every iPhone look modern again. But don't confuse this with generosity. Apple isn't being nice, they're being strategic. In 2026, a phone with a notch looks outdated. And Apple never allows an iPhone to look cheap. The real reason Dynamic Island is moving down to the E-series is simple: the Pro models are moving on. Leaks suggest the iPhone 17 Pro lineup will switch to a small side punch-hole camera with Face ID hidden under the display. Once that happens, Dynamic Island is no longer premium, it's old tech. And that's always when Apple hands features down. Not because they care, but because they've already extracted maximum profit. Next upgrade: thinner bezels. This one is subtle, but incredibly powerful. From the front, the iPhone 17e will look shockingly close to a $1,000 flagship. Same shape, same display layout, same modern face. And this is where Apple is brilliant. Most buyers don't care about CPU cores or benchmarks. They care about how their phone looks on a table. For $599, you get the visual status of a Pro iPhone, and that illusion alone will sell millions. Third, the A19 chip. Let's be honest, this isn't the full power version. It's likely a slightly cut-down chip. But here's what actually matters: it's built on Apple's latest 3nm process. That means better efficiency, less heat, stronger battery life, and long-term software support. This phone will comfortably run Apple Intelligence features and receive updates well into the 2030s. That makes it perfect for students, parents, and people who keep phones for years. Fourth, the front camera, and this is a strategic move. The iPhone 17e is getting the new 18-megapixel center stage camera. It tracks your face, adjusts framing, and keeps you centered automatically. Apple isn't targeting photographers here. They're targeting TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Zoom classes, and remote work. Apple just turned its cheapest iPhone into the perfect entry-level creator phone. Fifth upgrade: MagSafe is back. It disappeared on the 16e, and people noticed. Now it's returning, not because users demanded it, but because accessories are a goldmine. MagSafe